Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's June now, which is probably my favorite month here in these mountains. The wildflowers are blooming, the rivers are rushing, and the evenings are warm enough that I can leave the windows open and hear the crickets singing again. And everything is just alive and green and growing, and every time I walk outside, there's something new blooming that wasn't there the day before. A couple of weeks ago, I finished building the chicken house and brought home the chickens. And now I somehow have baskets full of eggs, which still feels very magical and very exciting. And honestly, I've been feeling good. Like really good, actually. The beginning of this year, I was struggling. Really, I was. And I'm not sure why exactly. Maybe it was just living alone here and being so isolated. Maybe it was just because of the cold. I've also been in this phase where I've been doubting my abilities in almost every area of my life. Like I'm really questioning myself and whether I'm actually capable of doing all the things I've been trying to do. But lately, things have been feeling lighter. Maybe it's just because the days are warmer. And now that it's June, the wild roses are blooming all over these mountains. I'll go out late at night with my basket and gather rose petals, and the smell of them, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is my favorite thing in the world. And last year, I made the most beautiful face oil with these roses, and I ended up using it all year. I actually ran out of it last month, so now that the roses are blooming again, I'm going to make enough to last me through another year. It's actually really easy to make rose oil. You just want to let the petals wilt and dry for a couple of days first, so there's not too much moisture in them. And then you pour whatever oil you like over the petals and let them infuse for a week, or 2 weeks is probably better. I usually keep mine somewhere warm but not too hot so the roses can slowly infuse into the oil. I like to use this oil on my face and then also my body. And my favorite summer routine is swimming in the river and then coming home and rubbing this oil all over my skin. It smells so nice and it just makes me feel so good. So every night for the past couple of weeks, I will walk down to the chicken house and bring them some just like vegetable scraps from my kitchen. And that is what I'm doing right now. It is like the highlight of my day. And then I'll also check for eggs.
You're a bitter kind.
They like these.
I love you so.
They really like these sweet potatoes.
Sour is my mind from what you sow. How I let it grow. Call them radiant, call them mother's eyes. Home's a narrow space for me to find. Your beguiling state in endless heights. I'm just not moving right.
So I wanted to give you guys a little house tour update. The drywall is almost done. It just needs tape, which is very exciting. I feel like having the insulation in and the walls up, this house looks so much more like a home now. So I think that this room is gonna be my writing room. I wanna put a big table right here. These windows open up and overlook the river, and that just sounds so romantic to be able to write and look at the river. Oh, every time I walk through this house, you guys, it truly does not feel real that this exists. I'm not sure why. Maybe because it's just taken me so long to get to this point, and this house still feels like a dream. And it's really hard for me to comprehend that in just a couple of months, I will be living in this house. That does not feel real, but it is real because it's in front of me. It's a weird place to be emotionally. June is so beautiful here in these mountains, but I've also been feeling just very overwhelmed by the amount of things going on in my life right now. That's why I'm really excited to be partnering with BetterHelp, who's sponsoring today's video. Life can pile up so quickly: work, relationships, money, big decisions, and it's easy to get in the mindset of, I should be able to handle this on my own. But one thing therapy has reminded me is you don't have to wait until you're at a breaking point to ask for support. Sometimes it's just really helpful to have someone to talk to who can help you feel less alone in whatever season you're in. BetterHelp makes starting therapy super accessible, whether it's online or through the app. All you do is fill out a short questionnaire and get matched with a licensed therapist, and you can talk to them in whatever way is most comfortable for you, whether that's phone, text, or video chat. And if it's not the right fit, you can switch therapists at any time at no additional cost. 82% of clients recommend their therapist. Just go to betterhelp.com/Isabel to get 10% off your first month of therapy. Because no one should have to go through anything alone, and BetterHelp is here with you. So lately I've been having this problem where all I want to do is write. And I mean all I want to do. Any free moment I have, I end up writing. And if I don't have any free time in the day, then I stay up way too late doing it. I've been so sleep deprived because of it, but it's like I can't stop. I don't know. It feels like something has fully taken over my brain in the best and the worst way. I honestly think that my soul incarnated into this lifetime to write. That's the only explanation that makes sense to me as to why I am so obsessed. I think I was always drawn to filming because I loved being able to tell a story. But the more I write, the more I realize this is the thing. This is the way that my brain wants to make sense of the world. And yeah, I don't know what to do about it. I'm at this point where a part of me wants to give up on everything else and just fully dedicate myself to it, which is probably not practical, but it's honestly how I feel. And I'm not even very good at it yet, which is the frustrating part. I just want to get better so badly. I want to learn how to say things the way I feel them. I want to be able to take a story that exists so clearly in my head and actually make it feel that way on the page. Anyways, enough about writing. If you guys have any advice for me, let me know in the comments about what I should do about my writing addiction. And today I made a fresh strawberry pie, which I am certain is the best pie in the entire world. This was so good. Oh my goodness. But you have to use like fresh homegrown strawberries. The strawberries have to taste like really, really good. If you can go to a local farm and pick them, this is what you need to make. I brought this over to my neighbor's house and we ate almost the entire thing in one sitting. It was so good. I'll leave the recipe in the description of this video. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Okay, bye-bye.
So far from home where the ocean stood, down dust and pine.